Hi everyone, good morning everyone, and I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. According to me, only a teacher can teach all the professions, right? So teaching begins in childhood. So teacher is the only person who have taught all the profession people. Today, I have got 100% job satisfaction from teaching. I have worked in corporates, I worked in finance industry, I worked in service industry, and this is the industry and the teaching has given me 100% job satisfaction in my career. I will tell you some of the best techniques which I have used and it has worked wonders with me. That is child psychology. To deliver 100% of your content in the class to students, you have to first understand child psychology. For that, what you should do? You should grab the attention of the child. We should not wear jing jang dresses and very vibrant colors, and you should not put colorful lipsticks. Should go very mildly. Teachers should look divine. The dressing should be so good and so sober that the students should not admire you for your dressing or your sari or your dress or your lipstick. They should admire you for the content you're telling them, the style of vocabulary you're following, and the content level and the depth of your teaching. They have to first observe your English or your Kannada or your Hindi, whatever language you are using. Vocabulary is very important, language is very important, and they have to observe you. That is more important. How will they observe you? How will they start looking at you? And how will they concentrate on you? For that we have a technique. Always tell the class, teacher should have a code. My code in any class is, I will tell this children when I ask the class, mid of my class, end of my class, anytime. When I say class, the class should tell me yes. Okay? That one line of class and yes, the whole class will start concentrating on you. Maybe it is 8th standard or 10th standard students and it has worked for me. Okay? Just try it and see. And whenever you start a class, you start with the brain breakers. In Google, in YouTube, there are a huge set of brain breakers. Start with a small rhyme or a shloka for kids. For elder kids, you have a brain breakers and it works awesome. Start the class with a brain breaker. And that is the way you grab the attention of the kid. And whenever you end the class, the content of the class is delivered, you tell them one trivia. Trivia means truth. Like for example, you're telling value of money to a class. Tell them after you deliver the complete content, you are ending with a trivia. That is, talk about currency. Every currency note has a mark to feel. For blind people, like 50 rupees has a different mark, 100 rupees has a different mark. For blind people, so that they can feel and use it. They will feel excited. They'll go home and try it out. That my ma'am has told me something new. So every class you are ending, you tell them a trivia. Okay? And for example, next class you're talking about animals. Tell them that you should tell me something new about a shark. Okay? Like that. You have to grab your attention. Tell them something new which they don't know. Trivia is the best thing. It has worked out for me, like when I'm teaching higher classes. And this is how you interact. And when you make the class interactive, kids will start listening to you and concentrate and they'll enjoy your class. This is how it has worked wonders for me. And when you grab the attention of the class, and when you're afraid that class will go out of control, for example, you're talking about Rajinikanth, everybody will have something to tell and class is going out of control, then you say class, they'll say yes and concentrate on you. This is how we have to target child psychology in a very, very good way. That will work wonders, and then only we can give the content 100% to them and they'll learn and transform. Thank you.